Hey Ryan, tell me something cool.
Mark Healy got a signature frame from Costa called the Costa Sampan.
What? Thank you so much for joining us. As always, I am Tyler at SportRx here with our Costa man, Ryan. We're talking about the Costa Sampan right now. Before we get into that, I would love to invite you to subscribe. We have lots of great videos like this that will enrich your lives, and if you subscribe, you'll know when they drop as soon as they drop, and we'd love you to be a part of that. That'd be awesome. And why not also, while you're at it, join us on all of the other platforms at SportRx, because we have good content there too. Okay, let's jump into this. The Sampan.
Oh yeah, Tyler, this is Mark Healy's signature frame. He is a new ambassador, a professional surfer in Hawaii, and he does a lot of stuff around the water, so he's been a big part of their campaign. But the Sampan, so let's dive into it. So obviously a lifestyle look, more to that West Coast with what, Mark is from Hawaii, so it kind of makes sense why he went with that. Definitely can be used on the boat, can be used off the boat too, which is nice. Made of a TR90 nylon, so again, it's gonna be able to take on the salty air and water without corroding. Awesome. This thing's not gonna lose its shape in the extreme heat or cold, which is nice. The temples have a hydrophilic material. It is not hydrolite, but again, it's that type of material that's gonna soak up that sweat, so if you're running around, some of the frame's not gonna go anywhere. The nose pad, also hydrophilic material, and it has a vented nose pad, so that way it can control the airflow. You don't have to worry about fogging or if you're doing anything out and about. Another cool feature is that keeper ready temple tip. Costa has a new loop retainer, so this is compatible with it. Also, a lot of other different brands have retainers like that, so this would be able to handle any one of those.
That's awesome. Yeah, I love all the grip all over the frame. I love that kind of all day, everyday styling. It feels substantial. It's a good feeling frame. It doesn't feel flimsy. This feels like it's gonna last you a long time unless you are really negligent with your glasses. But yeah, that textured grip on the inside of the temple, this is probably more of like a medium fit.
Yeah, true. This is a little small for me. I think it's a little perfect.
It feels comfortable on me. I have kind of a narrow face, so it might look a little wide. Comfort-wise, it's fantastic. Fully RXable. You can get that authentic Costa lens in your prescription. It is a good 6 base style, so maybe a little wider in the parameters what we can do for your prescription. This is a good looking frame.
Yeah, and I like that the thicker temples, it still gives you a little bit of protection. So if you are on the boat using it, you are gonna get a little bit of protection. Obviously this isn't a wraparound design, but since it is so thick, you get a little bit more protection than you typically would for a lifestyle frame.
Yeah, this is a good looking frame, and I feel like I am modeling it handsomely. So comment down below to let us know how good we look in this frame, and I bet you'd look good in it too. Then we'll get back to you when you comment. Call us. We'd love to help you with any questions you might have. Thank you so much for joining us.